Prosecutors resting their case in the third capital murder trial of A.J. Armstrong Jr.
He is charged with killing his parents while they slept inside their Southwest Houston home back in 2016. Today, Armstrong's aunt, grandmother, and his sister took the stand in his defense. Adam Bennett spent another day in the courtroom. He joins us live from the courthouse. Adam, we understand they were not the only family members there to support him.
That's correct, Mia. Today we saw family, friends, and supporters packing the courtroom in support of A.J. Armstrong. You know, over the last couple of weeks, we've seen prosecutors call more than 20 witnesses. Today it was the defense's turn. So today we heard from both Armstrong's paternal aunt as well as his grandmother. They were testifying that A.J.'s older brother Josh seemed disheveled and distant when they brought him back from college 2 months before the murder. Kay Winston said Josh was in a dark place and eventually kicked out of the home by his parents, victims Dawn and Antonio Sr. Now, the defense has cast Josh as an alternate suspect. Winston testified A.J. was, quote, in good spirits when she saw him just a few hours before the murder. She got emotional, telling the jury, quote, A.J. loved his parents. He would have never killed his parents. Shortly before the state rested, I spoke with our legal analyst about how the defense might proceed.
We know that the prosecution's changing strategy. I would expect the defense is going to as well. What we do know is that the defense did not object to the admissibility of this blood evidence. We've heard from the beginning of this trial, so we may see an expert to interpret that evidence from a defense perspective. And then, of course, the alarm system, which has always been an important key part of this trial. We may hear from an expert about that topic as well.
Judge Kelly Johnson is not allowing the parties to talk publicly about this case. She's also not letting cameras in the courtroom until closing arguments. At one point, we saw Armstrong wiping his eyes while his grandmother talked about what she saw outside of the home the night of the murder. Armstrong's sister, his younger sister, KHOU, she also got emotional late this afternoon on the stand. She testified that she was the one who set the alarm at the home the night of the murder, though she also said that that system was unreliable. Now, the testimony is over for the day. The jurors have gone home. They're planning to resume Monday morning. Mia?
It's been some day, some week in court. Adam Bennett tonight. Thank you.